Crew review. Crew review. Calculation of running staff requirement will be done once in 6 months based on power plan which is prepared based on actual of the previous 6 months and forecast for the next year. This will be prepared by Divisional Transportation Power Branch. From a general review of the methods of calculating the requirement of loco running staff, SCR crew are being sanctioned on the basis of 5.13 crews per loco. Procedure for calculation of crew requirement. Mail Express and passenger loco pilots requirement. Total number of Mail Express loco pilots required for all the crew links will be taken. That will be the bare requirement. Rest giver is already included while drawing the crew links. 30% of leave reserve will be included in passenger loco pilots, since any leave reserve will be taken from passenger loco pilots. Requirement of passenger loco pilots. Total number of passenger loco pilots required from working of all links will be the bare requirement. Then 30% of total bare requirement of Mail Express loco pilots plus passenger loco pilots will be added as leave reserve to the passenger loco pilots. Trainee reserve at 10% added to the passenger loco pilots. Then 12% of leave reserve of running supervisors also added to the passenger loco pilots. For example, bare requirement of LP Mail Express and bare requirement of LP passenger crew review calculation. Requirement of goods loco pilots. Previous 6 months working hours, that is from sign on to sign off of all crew of all individual depots, will be taken for each fortnight. By that, average hours per fortnight will be worked out. Then the bare requirement is equal to average hours per fortnight dated by 104. Number of hours supposed to work by crew. For that bare requirement, 5% expected to increase in traffic based on increase in GTKM will be added. For the above, 30% of leave reserve will be added. In terms of COM SCR letter dated 2010, the method of working out requirement of LP goods is as under. Average actual duty hours from sign on to sign off of all LP goods in division in a fortnight is divided by 104 hours is the bare requirement of LP goods. On that, leave reserve is 30%, traffic fluctuation is 10% on A plus B, and trainee reserve is 10% on A plus B plus C. Total requirement is A plus B plus C plus D. Loco pilots on special duty. Number of loco pilots working in lobbies and control office will work out, and that will be the bare requirement. For this, 1/6 rest giver is added. For the above total, 30% of leave reserve will be added. Trainee reserve post for the loco pilots. Trainee reserve posts will be calculated at the rate of 2% separately, that is 2% of total number of mail express plus passenger plus goods loco pilots and plus loco pilots on special duty. Requirement of shunters. Total number of shunters required as per the workload of the depots will be gathered, and that will be the bare requirement. For this, 1/6 of the rest giver is added. For the above total, 30% leave reserve will be added. Requirement of link ALPs. Where requirement of Mail Express loco pilots will be taken in the total number of Rajdhani loco pilots, if any, will be excluded. For the total, same number of ALPs will be taken as bare requirement. For the above total, 30% leave reserve will be added. Requirement of goods ALPs. Same number of ALPs equal to the total number of goods loco pilots calculated above will be taken. Trainee reserve posts of ALPs. Trainee reserve posts will be calculated at the rate of 3.6% separately, that is 3.6% of total number of link ALPs plus goods ALPs. 1.6% more than the loco pilots because of attaining initial courses. After preparing the proposals as above, with summary of number of posts available at present, number of posts proposed and number of extra posts asked for, with justification, will be submitted to PFA through senior DFM for finance concurrence onwards, with the approval of DRM forward to AGM through CMP R&L and COM for approval. On approval, same will be advised to CPO in turn to senior DPO regarding the extra sanction of posts. Then posts will be distributed to all depots by revising the sanctions by senior DPO in coordination with power officer. Thank you.